classic bread pudding, it's usually packed with sugar, butter, and at least 500 calories per serving, but not this one. Mine has no flour, no added fat, and just 250 calories per serving. That's a great deal when you're watching your weight. It comes together fast, and you barely need to clean up. Everything's mixed right in the baking dish. Mash up a banana right in the dish. Add baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a little vanilla. Stir it all together. When it starts to foam a bit, that's a good sign. Crack in 2 eggs. Pour in some low-fat milk and whisk until smooth. Now tear up a couple of slices of bread. I use my homemade version. It's flourless and has way more protein than regular bread. If you want to try it too, I've linked the recipe in the description. Add some blueberries, fresh or frozen, both work. Mix gently. The bread should be fully soaked, not dry on top, and try not to crush the blueberries. We're adding just a bit of brown sugar. And just a reminder, on this channel, we don't cut out foods completely. We just use them smart so the final dish stays tasty, but without the extra stuff we don't need. Bake in a preheated oven until the top is golden and the center is set. You can enjoy it warm or cold. If you like it sweeter, feel free to add a drizzle of syrup or honey, as long as you're okay with a little extra sugar and calories. Personally, I find the banana and that bit of sugar sweet enough. This bake turns out really satisfying, thanks to the flax bread packed with fiber and protein. It fills you up without that sugar spike, so you're not hungry again 10 minutes later. All the details and full macros are in the description. Thanks for baking with me.